If you want to cancel your Coinbase free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure that your subscription is terminated properly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, find the Settings option. This is usually located in the Profile menu or the Account section of the app or website. Step 3. Access Subscription Management. In the Settings menu, look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Billing. Click on this to view your current subscriptions. Step 4. Select the free trial. Find the free trial subscription you wish to cancel. Click on it to access more details about the trial and your options. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Look for the option to cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation and ensure that you receive a confirmation message or email. After completing these steps, your Coinbase free trial will be cancelled. Make sure to check your email for confirmation and keep an eye on your account to ensure no further charges occur.